Welcome today, one of the Be Seen with Artificial Intelligence Challenge. Today is the 15th of August, 2025. My name is Munachiso, and I will be your guide for today's event. Today, we're starting with your online presence. You'll create a talking avatar of yourself. No stress, no camera needed. Use recommended tools like Hagen DID or PicLumen to generate your avatar, upload a voice, or use text-to-speech, and introduce yourself.
Creating an AI avatar using PicLumen. First, we'll design our avatar. Choose your features and style in PicLumen.
This is the first step to standing out with AI-powered content.
Hello, my name is Melia, and this is the AI version of me. I am passionate about monetizing online tools and telecom services. AI is giving us a new voice, and I am ready to use mine.
And there you have it, your very own AI avatar ready to shine online.
Wow, that was spectacular and very doable, right? I urge you to keep practicing and exploring more creatives, as practice makes perfect. The goal is to be seen with AI. I am glad you're in this AI visibility and creativity challenge, and we're down by one day, a set of days to go. See you in the next challenge.